Want to take your vlogs to the next level with stunning, all-around views? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best 360-degree cameras for vlogging that capture every angle and bring your audience right into the moment. From portability to video quality, I'll cover what makes each camera stand out, plus the pros and cons you need to know before buying. Let's jump in. Number 1. Overall best pick. DJI Osmo 360 Standard Combo. The DJI Osmo 360 Standard Combo is an impressive camera for vloggers and content creators who want high-quality, immersive footage. With its 1-inch dual sensors, it delivers sharp 8K 360 degrees video and stunning 120MP photos, making every detail pop. The ability to switch to 4K per 120 frames per second with a 170 degrees field of view is a big plus for action shots, giving flexibility for different shooting styles. It's also waterproof and built for outdoor use, making it great for travel and sports. The 100-minute recording time in 8K is solid, though managing large file sizes can be a challenge. Overall, it's a powerful, professional-level camera for dynamic storytelling. Number 2. My second best pick. Insta360X5 Waterproof 8K 360 degrees action camera. The Insta360X5 is a powerful 360 degrees action camera designed for creators who want flexibility and top-notch quality. It shoots in 8K, and its low-light performance really stands out, delivering clear and detailed footage even at night. The invisible selfie stick effect is a huge plus for vloggers, making shots look smooth and professional without extra editing. With a rugged build, replaceable lens, and waterproofing, it's made to handle tough outdoor conditions. The 3-hour battery life is impressive for long shoots, and built-in stabilization keeps footage steady. One downside is that the advanced features come with a learning curve. Overall, it's an excellent choice for serious creators. Number 3. My third best pick. GoPro Max Waterproof 360 Plus Traditional Camera. The GoPro Max is a versatile 360 degrees and traditional action camera in one, making it a great option for vloggers and adventurers. It shoots sharp 5.6K spherical video and captures 16.6 MP 360 degrees photos, giving you creative flexibility to reframe shots later. The built-in stabilization is excellent, keeping footage smooth even during fast action. Another big plus is its ability to live stream in 1080p, which is perfect for sharing moments in real time. The waterproof design adds confidence for outdoor or water-based activities. One drawback is that battery life can drain quickly when shooting in high resolution. Overall, it's a reliable, all-in-one solution for immersive content. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Insta360X3-360 Action Camera. The Insta360X3 is a feature-packed 360 degrees action camera that's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It shoots crisp 5.7K 360 active HDR video, while also offering a 4K single-lens mode when you don't need the full 360 view. Flow state stabilization is excellent, keeping footage steady even during fast movement like biking or skiing. The large 2.29-inch touchscreen makes framing and settings much easier to handle compared to smaller displays. AI editing tools are a big bonus, letting you quickly turn raw clips into shareable content. On the downside, the camera can get warm during extended 5.7K recording. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable action camera. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Ricoh Theta X 360 degrees camera. The Ricoh Theta X 360 degrees camera is a strong option for creators who value image quality and ease of use. With its 11K resolution, 60MP, photos come out impressively sharp and detailed, while 5.7K video delivers smooth and vibrant results for immersive viewing. The OLED touchscreen makes navigation and previewing shots far more convenient than older models, and built-in GPS is a handy feature for travelers who want location data saved with their content. The interchangeable battery and support for external memory give it added flexibility for longer shoots. One drawback is that low-light performance isn't as strong as some competitors. Overall, it's a capable, user-friendly 360 degrees camera. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite 360-degree camera for vlogging? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.